Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany and I'm coming to you from inside of my sister's Volvo from the beautiful state of Virginia. So in today's video, I'm actually getting Dom and the rest of the crew ready to hit the road. We've been in Virginia for about a week now, me mostly. Andrew just got back from Charleston. He was there gallivanting with his friends, getting ready for his brother's wedding, a bachelor party. And what we're doing now, or what you're gonna see in this video, is us basically getting Dom and the rest of the crew ready to hit the road and make our way up to Michigan. So we actually have a laundry list of things that need to get accomplished today and first thing tomorrow to make sure our trip is gonna go smoothly, like get water, make sure the dogs get their baths, go grocery shopping, and the list goes on. So sit back and relax while we run around like chickens with our head cut off to get ready for this trip. So the first stop for today is we're getting our nails done. You see how long my nails are? They normally grow like crazy, and I just don't cut them. So I haven't gotten my nails done since February of this year, and this is going to be a little treat. So let me go ahead and do that. Okie dokie, my friends, I am coming to you from inside of Domino. I'm about to show y'all what her current state is right now, and we're friends, so don't judge me. Andrew just brought in some stuff from the Volvo on our trip, so I didn't tell y'all where we're about to go, but we're headed up to Michigan. I know I said for his twin wedding, his name is Tony, for Tony's wedding. So instead of taking two vehicles, normally we drive. I'm either in the bus or the Volvo, and Andrew's in the bus or the Volvo, but we drive two different vehicles. But this trip, we just decided to take Dom, and we're going to leave the Volvo here. So we pulled some stuff out of the Volvo, and we're going to have a little bit more stuff here in Dom. But let me show you what her current state is. I just need to get everything back situated so I'm not losing my mind with everything being everywhere. So here's the big reveal. Don't judge me, because we are friends, right? Right. Alrighty, so literally this stuff just came from the Volvo. So yes, don't judge. Those are dirty clothes. I'm going to just go through some of that stuff and see what we really need to wash and take with us. Everything else, we're just going to leave it in the Volvo, because we're only going to be gone for like a week and some change before we come back to my sister's. So yes, that is the couch. I'm going to do wide angle so you can get the full effect. I just got these are 5-gallon water tanks. I just want extra water on board, and I got so tired of having a whole bunch of water bottles. I would just fill up these 1 gallons, and I would keep about 8 of them, on board. So I just went ahead and bit the bullet and bought these. These are basically the best grade ones you can have. They were expensive, $45 each, but the reviews, they do not leak, and that was my main concern, having water supply, extra water supply, but worrying about it leaking. But this this is military grade, and yeah, it shouldn't be any leaks. And the bed was not made this morning, so there's that. And yep, here's the kitchen. It's really not that bad. The space is just tiny, so it just looks a mess. So yes, here is the current state. I got so much propane that I need to put away. But yeah, here it is. So what I'm going to do is just set up my camera and start trying to put things where they belong and figuring out what we actually don't need need with us for this trip. So enjoy.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that broken mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh,
Good morning, friends. It is a new day. Did not complete everything that needed to be accomplished before heading out today. So instead of actually going to the grocery store, my sister let me use her Instacart. So our groceries will be delivered shortly. The lady's actually on her way. And I don't know, I kind of think that we are, for the most part, ready to hit the road. But let me go ahead and wait till the person comes with our groceries, put those away, and then I will catch up with you guys shortly. These are the water filters that we use in Dom. In my opinion, they make the regular faucet water and water, coming from a water hose taste a lot better. If you're interested, I'll link them in the video description below. And they're good for 3 months, and so far so good. This is the organized chaos underneath the bed. We would normally keep a lot of this stuff in the Volvo, but we're leaving the Volvo behind, so now it is underneath the bed.
my bad, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break?
And this is how it looks. He has 2 hooks over there for his hats, and then we just have another space over there. Decided to put the other hook over there, whatever. And so the rest of these vines, they will be going. I will be keeping that trim part up there, but I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree one day in the future and make this a picture wall. Yeah, because Andrew is tired of feeling like he's being attacked in the middle of the night by my vines. Alrighty, my friends, my groceries are here. I didn't order a lot because I prefer to go inside the grocery store, but because we were, kind of crunched with time, it's almost like 11 o'clock, and I want us to leave by 1 o'clock. So this is like the best option. So yeah, let's go ahead and put these groceries away.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it. lose my spark.
So my sister made chicken cacciolini before I left, and I'm such a one pot, one pan type person. I am going to, let's move some of this out the way a bit, create some space for the rice to go. She gave me a thing of rice too, and I'm gonna just put all that rice right there and then let that heat up a bit, and then we will have our dinner. Thanks to my sister. Thank you, Courtney. Alrighty, my friends, the food is nice and hot. I have some iced tea to drink, and I think this is where I'm going to end the video and let you guys go. Thank you so much for tuning in to find out where is Brittany. I will see you guys on the next adventure. Bye.